to come in now, and we're at our cow molly. There's absolutely loads of them. This race was in aid of Clic Sargent. This is a cancer challenge. Look at all the tractors that have turned up today, all to raise money for children's cancer. In a minute we are going to get our ice cream. That's our cow molly's ice cream. Woo! If you come to Sheffield, make sure you visit our cow molly. And you can visit them on Facebook and Twitter. These cows will turn into the cows that make the milk for our cow molly. We love the ice creams at our cow molly. And we're going to go on the bounty castle now. Now we're going to see the tractors drive away. Time at our cow molly. To donate to Clic Sargent, click on the link below. Bye!